Hello, everyone. Share a quantized fp8 version of the image generation video workflow for the AI video generation model LTX-Video. The advantage of this model is that it is faster to generate. Ideal for quick card draws on low-end devices. Quantized version of the 20-step iterative dessert card takes only 15 seconds to produce a video. Double-click run_NVIDIA_GPU. BAT. Click on Workflow on the left. Click Import Local Workflow. Select Image to generate video workflow. The clip model here uses the quantized version of fp8. Reduces volume by half. Accuracy won't drop too much. The base model uses the official 2B parametric model. 25 frames per second here. Modify the width and height of the video and the length here. Here the number of iteration steps can be changed to 20, which is faster. We generated a video based on this image. Enter the prompt here. Meaning, 4K HD. A pretty girl smiling. Click the Q button to generate the video. Device is a 4060 laptop version. The 20-step iteration takes 15 seconds. Video memory takes up about 7 GB. As you can see, the accuracy hasn't dropped too much. Modify keywords now. Pretty girls cry. Above, thank you for watching. Here is Lu Yu's technology blog.